Namaste Gurukulians. I wish you all are as fit as fiddle at home and doing practice of tense at home. So today what we are going to do bete? Today we are going to do past perfect tense. We are going to do past perfect tense. First of all, the formation of this tense, I think you know very well about that. Perfect means related to perfect, which is related to completion. Completion of work. Okay bete, completion of work. And the completion of work was when bete? In the past. Okay, so what we use for this bete? Had plus third form of the verb with the subject. And what is the formation of this bete? Subject plus verb, okay, subject plus had plus third form of the verb plus object. Okay, and this is for the affirmative sentence, and for the negative sentence bete, subject had plus not plus V3 plus object. Okay, and the third is interrogative. For interrogative, you know very well about that. We use two things. If the question is related to WH family, then okay, and the second is with had, okay, plus what will come beta here? Subject, okay, then verb, third form, then object. Is it clear beta? And for the negative interrogative sentences, I told you many times about that. What you will do beta? You will use after subject always note. Is it clear beta? This is V3 and this is object. Okay, now one example you can take for this beta. Like that, I had seen the movie at 5 p.m. You can use this at 5 p.m. Here also both are right bete. Okay, you can use like that at 5 p.m. means this is related to your past. At 5 p.m. what you did bete? You had seen the movie. Okay, like that. I had not, you can use here for the negative. I had not seen the movie. Okay, and third one is here bete. Question mark should be here. Okay, had I seen the movie? Okay, like that. Had I seen the movie? Okay, for negative you know very well about that. Had I not seen the movie? This is the formation of your past perfect tense. Now the question comes where we use this tense. Now the question comes where we use this tense. First of all, usually we use this tense to show when two actions, usage of this bete. First, when two actions happened in the past, in order to avoid the the past order of series, we use this tense. Means which action happened first. Okay, to show that action we use there had. Which action? Okay, which action? First rule, which action happened first in the past. Okay, okay, when two or more than two action happened in the past. Okay, when two or more actions happened in the past. Okay, in that series of actions, if we want to show which action happened past, then we use there this tense, past perfect tense. This is your timeline bete. Okay, This is your present time, this is your past, okay, and this is your future time. Okay, if see two action happened there, one action here, okay, at 8 o'clock, and one action happened there at 7:30. Okay, suppose I had reached, you know, I had reached the theater before the movie started. Means before the movie I had reached, before the starting of the movie you reached there before that. So which action happened bete? First of all, this action 7:30. Which action happened at the 7:30? Means like that, you can say like that. See example, I was sick because I had eaten too much. I am writing here, I was sick because I had eaten too much. Okay, because I had eaten too much. But see in this example, see previous night I have eaten too much. Previous, you can write here previous night. Okay, see I was sick. Why you were sick? Because before this what you did bete? You had eaten something, that's why. Okay, the movie had started before I reached the station. Suppose, sorry, theater. Okay, suppose you reached there 8 o'clock, means you reached where bete? In whole theater you can say, but movie had started. Which action happened first? The movie had started. The movie had started. The movie had started before I reached there in mall, hall, whatever you want to write there bete. Okay, next one is there. Any example you can? The patient had died. I think you know very well about this example. The patient had died before the doctor reached there. Before the doctor reached there. Okay, this is a example of that. Which action happened first? The movie had started before I reached there. The movie had started before I reached there at the, you can say at the whole theater, in the whole theater, whatever you want to write, it depends on you bete. Okay, see first of all, see now the next sentence, next example you can take for this bete. See, when we arrived at the party, when we arrived at the party, okay, when we arrived at the party, John had left from there. Is it clear? See, suppose when you reached at 8 o'clock and John left the party at 7:30. Which action happened first? With that action we always use there bete, what we use there bete? Had plus third form of the verb. When we arrived at the party, you arrived at the party at 8 o'clock and John left that party, John had left that party at 7:30. Okay, for the conditional sentences bete, for the unfulfilled desire, like that, I wish I had worked hard. I wish I had worked hard. Okay, how bete? See, before for my exam, I wished I had worked hard for my exams. Okay, but I did not means unfulfilled desire, means you should do their hard work, but you didn't do your hard work. That's why you were not performed good in your exam. And the third one is if only, second example, if only had I paid, if I only had paid attention, okay, to advice of my sister. Okay, means if I only had paid attention to advice of my sister, means you didn't paid any attention to your sister's advice. Okay, but I didn't. Okay beta, here you can write here cinema also. Okay, cinema is also right. Okay, now the next sentence is here. First, okay, this is your second usage, this is your first. Okay, and the third is here. Let me erase this to express impossible conditions. See bete, for this what you can use here bete, if you had been regular you would have for see, if you had performed well, okay, you would have got first position. Is it clear bete? See, if you had performed means, but in reality you means that condition can't come in your can't come again, unfulfilled condition. If you had performed well, you would have got first position. Now the second sentence also like that, you can make yours own sentence beta. If he had left earlier, he would have reached the station. If he had left earlier, okay, he would have reached the station. He would have reached the station in time. Okay, see, if he had left earlier, he would have reached the station in time. And for the certain action, certain moment in the past, fourth usage is bete. Is it clear? These are clear for the first, for yes bete, fourth usage of this bete, action happened at a certain moment in the past, means at 5 p.m. What? At 5 p.m. I had gone gone to the bed. For sleep, whatever you want to use here, bete. Okay, and the second is at the age of 16, at 16 years, at the age of 16 years, I had learnt to drive car. Okay, learn to fly, glider, anything you can take here, bete. Okay, these are the usage of your past perfect tense. If we want to show in the series of past actions which action happened first, we use there, bete. And the second thing where we use, bete, for the at certain moment, action happened at certain moment in the past, means action happened at 5 p.m. At 5 p.m. what you did, bete? You had gone to the bed, you had gone for sleep. Okay, at 16 years, at the age of 16 years in the past, what? Okay, bete, I had learnt to drive car. Okay, and the third, see, when we for the conditions, for the unfulfilled desires, okay, and for the unfulfilled conditions, see, I wish I had worked hard for my exams, but you didn't do hard work for there. Okay, see, if I only had paid attention to advice to my sister, but you didn't pay any attention to your sister's advice, bete. Okay, advice of your parents. Okay, you can write here, if only, in this sentence, bete, if only, you can use subject after only also, it is also right. If only I had paid attention to advice of beta, this is wrong, beta, very sorry for this, of my sister. Okay, of my elders, you can write here. Once again I am writing this sentence here, beta, if only I had paid attention, okay, to advice of my elders. Okay, anything you can write here, bete, elders, you can write here sister. Okay, but the meaning is that you didn't pay any attention. In bracket you can write here, you didn't pay any attention to advice of your sister. Okay, for the unfulfilled conditions also I have told you, you can see here, bete, if you had performed well, you would have got first position. Okay, if he had left earlier, he would have reached the station in time. This is for the unfulfilled condition. These two examples are for that, bete. Okay, now what you will do, bete, you will make your own sentences on your past perfect tense like that, and I would like to take your doubts on your WhatsApp group if there is any. Okay, have a nice day to all of you, and do practice at home daily of your tense.